guys? You ready to rock?
Let's roll!
Good. Very good. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do right now is we're going to go over our homework. We're going to go over our homework. During your requirement for your homework was to do what? What was the main thing that we learned yesterday? It starts with an E. It's an E word. It's an E word. Jadia. Estimate. Good job. We were estimating yesterday. Okay, so remember our ruler. Everyone do me a favor. Hold up your rulers. Point to the centimeters on your ruler. Good. Good. Let's see. Point to the centimeters. Remember, the centimeters is the one with the most. More numbers. They're closer together. Point to the centimeters. Good. Great job. That line in the middle of two numbers, that line that's in the middle of two numbers is the what point? The what point? Diane? The halfway point. Great job. If your whatever you're trying to measure goes past the halfway point, let's say for instance I have 6 and 7. So I have my pencil and my ruler, and this is my 6, this is my 7, this is my halfway point. What is it closer to?
6.
What is it closer to?
6.
Is it closer to 6? Let's see. Now what is it closer to? 7. How do you know that? Let me see. How do you know that? Maria, how do you know that it's closer to 7?
Because I see some.
Remember, this is my halfway mark. Jakaya, how do you know that it's closer to 7?
Because the lines that you put on the board, it's by 7 and it's by 7, it's halfway by 7 and it's not 6 because if you had to cut that line off, it would be a lot more to get to the 6.
Good job. To sum up what she said, we know that it's closer to 7 because it is past the halfway mark. Once that number gets past the halfway mark, it is closer to the next number up. Good job. Kiss your brain. My friend, do me a favor. Put your rulers down. Put your rulers down. Pick your crayons up. We are going to check our homework really quick. And after we check our homework, we are going to be focusing on our number line, excuse me. Our line graph, line plot?
Yes.
Line plot. All right, here we go. Let me get, William, go ahead and read the directions.
Measure the length to the nearest centimeter.
All right, stop right there. What do I like to see? What's the first thing that you should do? Underline the important words. If you're supposed to underline the important words, Zamarli, what words did you underline?
Measure, nearest, and centimeter.
Okay, so you underlined measure, length.
Nearest and centimeter.
Is that what you underlined? Okay, put your thumb up if you underlined that. You are exactly correct. Give yourself kiss your brain. Good. Okay, so number 1. I'll do number 1 for you. We're going to line it up to the what? 0. What is it closer to? The 9. So it's 9 what? Centimeters. Give yourselves a check if you got that one right. If you got that one right with your crayon, give yourselves a check. If you got it wrong, put the right number next to it with your crayon. Okay, number 2. This looks like a picture frame. Let's see, I'm starting at my where? 12. You got 12. Give yourself a check. Now I'm going to do my picture frame. What is that closer to? 11. Good job. Diane, go ahead and read number 4 to us.
Draw a string that is about 8 centimeters long. Then use a centimeter ruler to check the length.
What did you underline, Jakaya? What important words did you underline?
Draw.
Draw.
String.
String.
8 centimeters.
8 centimeters.
Ruler.
Centimeter ruler. Length. Somebody here if you got that? Good job. Give yourself a high five. Good. Good job. All right. So walk me through it. Walk me through it. Let me get. Let's see. Rayana, how did you do this problem?
I had got the ruler and I had placed it on the paper. Then I had drew a string that is, but I had start at the 8.
So you put your ruler on the paper like this, right?
Yeah.
Where did you start?
I had start at the 0.
Okay, so you started here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
And then I had drew a line until it got to the 8.
So right here.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. What about like you to put on top of the line?
8.
8. Go get a fuzzball, Shamari. Good job. Give Shamari a round of applause. Good job. I'd like you to put the number 8 centimeters, and we're going to abbreviate centimeters. What does abbreviate mean? Abbreviation. Abbreviation. We had it earlier. Abbreviation.
Oh, abbreviation means to
Go ahead.
check.
Okay, I'll ask you it again. Shamari said that we always put the number on top of the string. So we're going to abbreviate centimeters into what? What does abbreviate mean?
To parts.
To take part of it, yeah, and make it what?
Smaller.
To take part of the word and make it smaller. If we're going to abbreviate centimeters, the abbreviation for centimeters is cm. So put the number 8. 8 on top of your line. cm. Dot. cm. Dot. I'm coming around to check to make sure you have that. Shamari, draw your line, sweetheart. Okay, good. I need to see cm. Dot.
Okay.
Maria, I need to see cm, sweetheart. All right, you ready to rock?
Let's roll!
Flip your paper over. Because that is showing up like that, I'm going to go ahead and use this board because it leaked through. All right, number 1 says, Jaden Turner, go ahead and read for me the directions, please.
Use a centimeter ruler. What is the length of the pencil to the nearest centimeter?
Use a centimeter ruler. What's the length of the pencil to the nearest centimeter?
I would say
Jaden, what did you get?
12.
12. Put your thumb in here if you got that. Good job. Put your brain. Oh, we forgot to do something very important. Devontae, what are the important words that I need to underline?
You should underline use a
Centimeter ruler.
and underline length,
Uh-huh.
pencil,
Uh-huh.
and nearest.
Good job. When we hear nearest, we know that we are what? Raise your hand. What does that mean though? It's an E word. Tanaya. Estimate. Nearest means what?
Estimate.
Nearest means?
Estimate.
Alright, let's move on. Alright, quick review. We've learned this already. What is the time on this clock? What is the time on this clock? What's the time on this clock? Jaden Sutherland. Tell me.
I put 4:05.
4:05. Good job. Maria, what is the total value of these coins? What did you get? 21 cents. I hear a lot of side talk. Use the line plot. How many pencils are 5 inches long? We did this 2 weeks ago. Elijah.
2.
Good job. 2. All right. Do me a favor. Flip your paper over. Put the total number that you got incorrect, that you got wrong on the top of your paper. If you got 0 wrong, give yourself a nice big smiley face.
Okay.
If you got 0 wrong, give yourself a smiley face and then go ahead and pass your paper up. Let's go. 20 seconds. I need all papers passed up now. Let's go. That's time. Shamari even drew his smiley face with hair.
I did too.
You don't need to. It's okay, Diane. Let's go. Pass it up, Brittany. Let's go. Jaden Turner, let's go. That's time.
I just forgot to underline.
Thank you very much. So have a seat, please. If you can hear my voice clap once, if you can hear my voice clap twice, what are we in right now? Bubble, complete bubble, please. All right. Go ahead and take out your math books, put your crayons away. Take out your math books, put your crayons away. Turn to page 445. That's 400s, 4 tens, and 5 ones. Put your crayons away, please. I'm sorry, 445. 400. 4 tens, 5 ones. If we see something in purple, we know that that is what?
Important.
If we see something in purple, we know that it is?
Important.
Good. Red team's ready. Orange team's ready. Purple team, you are not ready. Green team, you are not ready. Blue team is ready. All right, while Jakaya, what's a good way to show your teacher that you're respecting them? You should do what when she's in front of the classroom? And do what? Look at them. Please look at me when I'm speaking and when I'm teaching. It's showing me that you're attentive. It's showing me that you value what I'm teaching. While Jakaya reads what's in purple, I'm going to come around my basket. Please put the ruler inside the basket. Go ahead, Jakaya. Nice and loud, please. Follow along with your fingers.
How
They gave you the problem up top. What's the first thing that we do when we see a problem? We do what? Underline. Go ahead and underline what you think to be the important words. Underline what you think to be the important words for this section here. Go ahead and underline what you think to be the important words for this section here. Good job, Jaden. Great job. All right, Jaden, come on up. Go ahead, underline what you underline. Uh-huh. Okay, good. Jaden likes to circle, but so I'm going to go ahead and redo what he just did, but I'm going to use underline so that way you guys can see it clearer. Okay? So he said Nate had 23 centimeters of string. So I put Nate had 23 centimeters. Gave is important because gave means what? Show me on your fingers. Gave means what? Excuse me, show me on your fingers. Gave means what? Exactly. Your finger should be this way. Gave means take away. We're taking it away. If he gave something, he's giving it away. He gave 9 centimeters. That's really important. Of string to Myra. How much string does Nate have now? Now means total. I want to know how much string does he have now after he gave that string away. After he gave the string away, I want you, go ahead and underline what I have here, if you don't have it. If you do have it, give yourself a round of applause. Oh, I should hear way more people clapping. Thank you, Sadasia. This is just reiterating what we just talked about. Nate had, put the total that Nate had. Put the total that Nate had. We just wrote that. Jakaya, what'd you write? Nate had 23 centimeters of string. He gave, what did you put, Maria?
9.
He gave 9 centimeters to Myra. So now we're going to show our work. We know that gave means that we did what? Subtract. That's a math word. We subtract. So we're going to use our number plot. It's a number plot, by the way. What was that? I can't hear you, Kyle. Okay. We're going to use our number line. We're going to use our number line to plot our answer. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write the original string that he had. What's the original string that he had? 23. So they started at